Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to go ahead and cover at a high level templates on Microsoft Word. So those of you that have been following our Microsoft Word Fundamental series, we covered this in the very first video that we put out, but I feel like templates deserve their own videos just because there are so many different template types and a lot of people aren't even aware, and they go in and they try to create something from scratch when there's probably I don't want to say a better version, but a version that is set up maybe the way that you want, so you're not having to spend so much time trying to create it yourself. So once you open up the Microsoft Word application, if you're not familiar with it, you'll have an option here to go ahead and select a blank document. But if you want to look at the templates, come over here and select the More Templates option. And then once you do that, you have some different suggested searches you can go through. You also have some different templates that it's suggesting that you can select from. So things like business letters, memos, agendas, all that good stuff. But let's come over here to search for online templates, and let's type in resumes, because resumes are probably one of the more common document types that those of you may be filling out. So you can scroll through here. You can see some of the different resume types that you can select. At the just given the preview right there, hopefully you'll find one that matches what you're looking for. So this one right here is a cover letter. So just be mindful of the name, because you may be selecting one that is not a resume, but it's popping up because it's probably tagged as a resume. So let's go ahead and select this one, photo resume. And once you select it, it's going to give you a preview to tell you a little bit more details about it. So we're good with this. It's very pink, so it may not be what I'm going for, but maybe some of you out there like it. And this is just telling me that if you add personal information, it may be removed, so you can change that if needed. But let's go ahead and start filling it out. So let's put in Michael, let's put Michael C. If we want to change this picture, we can go ahead and select it, come over here to picture format, and there's an option right here that says change picture, where you can go ahead and find the image of yourself on your device. You can go ahead and add that in. Come over here and just click around and change whatever you need to change. So right now there's an objective. You can change the personal information. I mean, you name it. So there's it's as easy as that. Look, this whole thing was set up. This probably would take you from finding the template to filling it out maybe 30 minutes, if that. And if you try to come in and create it from scratch, imagine trying to come up with this in your imagination. It probably would take you a long time to come up with something similar to this. There's also templates available online as well. But like I said, Microsoft has quite a few that are built into Word itself. And then if we want to go find a different template, we can choose to save this document or close it. Come back over here to File. Come over here to More Templates, and then you can go through and you can search for, maybe next year wanting to fill out a memo or a cover letter. You can come over here and find the template that you're looking for. So I hope you all found this video helpful. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually create your own template.